a level, a light impression roll with the top, use in addition a water level, a notched trowel, as well as a smaller painter's trowel, a measuring tape, creep tape, gloves, a pencil and a press block. A smooth and soft coating is important. The sandpaper block should have a light grain of 100 to 120. The Richter stone veneer sheets, a cloth and a standard hard metal saw. In order to compound the glue, first adjust the scale to 0 and add a spatula amount of the components A and B in equal shares. Make sure to achieve a consistent gray mass at the end. Put a stone veneer sheet with the backside up on your working surface and apply the glue with the notched trowel evenly. At the endings, 5 mm should be left blank so that the mass does not ooze out while sticking. The leftover glue is put back into the container. Put the stone veneer sheet carefully onto the wall surface. Fix it slightly by hand and press it firmly with the help of the press block. Now let's get to the cutting process. You can pre-cut the stone veneer sheets individually and according to the size of your wall surface. Therefore, measure the precise length and assign it onto the stone veneer. Sand the rough cut edge with a sandpaper block. In the corner, make sure to stick a stone veneer sheet with about 1 mm overlap. Fix both sheets with a crepe tape to tighten them. Then set the excess end with the sandpaper block in about 45 degrees. The 4 mm gap is another method of assembly for the skilled expert. Applying this method, glue the stone veneer sheet with a gap of 4 mm. First measure the wall surface and afterwards apply the glue in the marked area. Apply the glue with a good sense of proportion. While gluing, take care to align the first row in an absolute straight line. Before starting with the first sheet, make sure that all stone veneer sheets have been sealed with impregnation before. To protect your stone veneer, the surface requires impregnation. Here, the Stoun Agent 30 natural stone sealings serves best. Start by cleaning the surface with a moist cloth. Then apply the powerful impregnation evenly with a wallpaper roll. Besides, small bubbles might appear during the process, but don't worry, they will disappear after a minute. A Richter stone veneer can be applied most adeptly on most different surfaces, from a simple plastered wall, wooden fiber or plywood surface up to glass surfaces. As wall, floor or ceiling layer, there are no limits set on the decorative creation possibilities. For conglutination to the surface, Richter offers system solutions such as the Stoun Agent 2 components construction glue, available according to demand in different charges.